Hi guys. All right, so we are officially done with all the TEKS that we had to learn this year, which is absolutely amazing because you guys are super smart readers, and now it's time for us to put it all together into a review session. So today what I'm going to show you, and actually this whole entire week, is a bunch of games. Wow, kids, so exciting. Okay. This one, if you want to do the full version, your parents have to pay for it, but we are going to just explore some of this website because it allows us to just work on the concepts that we have reviewed. It is from up here you can see readwithphonics.com. It's a really great British website for phonics. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and I'm going to show you some of the things we're going to do. Okay. You will see this practice together and do it yourself. I'm going to give you guys the link to this, and I want you guys to practice this, okay? So as you can see, we have the double F, double L, double S. All these are endings over here of words, and it's fantastic because we already looked at all of these. So this is awesome. So we're just gonna have to work with these on this kind of like a game. So I'm gonna start with the double F, just for the funsies. Okay, it's gonna take me to the next screen.
Can you match the correct word to the picture?
Can you match the correct word to the picture? So we're still trying to decode, which is touching on our TEK of the week. And trying to figure out what is the word. It can be a CVC word, it can be CCVC word, it can be CVCC word. It can be any C's and any V's, okay? So we have to now look at the picture over here and try to decode these words to see if they match to the picture. Easy peasy, right? So I look at this, there's shark. Ah, shark. And there's an arrow pointing to the part of the shark. So this has to be, I think, is it fin? Fin, or rf, surf, or staff. I think it's fin. So I'm going to click on it and drag it until it turns yellow.
Fin.
Sorry, the alien's kind of funny. This is a cliff. Cliff.
Oh, cliff.
This guy's hilarious. Sorry, I had so much fun playing this. I'm going to choose a different ending. Ooh, let's do ch.
Can you match the correct word to the picture?
Can you match the correct word to the picture? Again. Ch, chin. That's not a picture of a chin. Ch, k, n. Chicken. That's not a chicken. Ooh, ch. Lunch.
Oh, ch. Lunch.
Now, this is a tricky one. Ch. And this one, ch. Air. Child. Child. That's not a child. This must be it. I'm sorry, this is just so funny.
Chair.
Chair. Now, if you notice, the accent is British because this is made in England. So if you're like, why are they pronouncing this a little bit differently? It's called an accent. It's still English. It's just because that's how they talk in England. Okay, so I want you guys to click around and explore all of these because they are super fun and you are practicing decoding your words and it's super exciting. Okay, so we're going to practice decoding and trying to match it to pictures the rest of the week with different types of games. What? That's so awesome, Miss Santana. I know. All right, I'll see you on Practice Yourself. I'm going to show you some other things.